Watch this video and learn how to draw a scary shark. Later on, join Artie for a dance break. And watch to the end to see Mikey Marker and Betty Brush in a cartoon. Are you ready, little artists? It's time for Artie's Show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello and welcome to Artie's Show. Yeah.
Hello, Artie.
What are we gonna draw today?
Well, today, Artie, we're going to draw a scary shark.
Wow, that's gonna be awesome.
It sure is.
Hello, Artie and friends.
Good day, everyone!
Are you ready, Artie?
Yeah,
Ready to start?
I think I'm ready to start.
Okay, this drawing's going to be a fun one.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
There's nothing more exciting than Artie's blank piece of paper.
Let's start by drawing a curve going upwards from the left side of the paper and across towards the right side. We should watch sharks on YouTube after this, Artie.
Yeah.
I'll see if I can find a really good documentary about sharks.
Oh, yay.
Artie likes sharks. Now leave a little gap and continue the curve round towards the bottom middle.
I can feel the anticipation in the air.
I can smell it too.
At the end of the line that we started with, draw a little hook.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thank you, Bunny Fluffington. Okay, draw a little L shape and then a big upside-down curve for the mouth. That's a big mouth, Artie. We're going to have to draw lots of teeth.
Oh,
Sharks are
yeah.
famous for their teeth.
Wow. Oh.
Draw another big curve, making a sort of number 3 shape.
Artie is so talented, isn't he, Mikey?
He really is.
Let's add the shark's tail. A long, curvy line, and then another one coming up the top. Are you having fun, Artie?
Oh, this is the best day of my life.
Well, I don't know about that, Artie, but we're having fun. Draw 2 more angled lines to finish off the tail. Now, it doesn't really look like a shark yet, but it will.
This looks great! I'm not sure what it is yet.
You'll see soon, Bunny. Now let's draw our shark's fin. We're going to draw a sort of sideways or upside down V shape.
Oh,
What is it?
could we
What, Artie?
have a dance break, please?
A dance break?
Yeah.
Okay, why not?
Yay!
Dancing is a form of art.
Come on, little artists. Let's all dance.
It's a 10 from me, thank you.
Dance break, dance break, dance break, dance break.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was really good fun.
Was it tiring?
Oh, Artie loves dance breaks.
Should we finish the drawing?
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Let's finish the side fin and then we'll jump onto the main fin, the fin that sticks out of the ocean when sharks are swimming. Again, draw a sideways, upside down V shape, but a bit larger this time. Remember to keep watching to see Betty and Mikey in a cartoon. Okay, it's time for the teeth. I know you love sharks, Artie. I bet you're having fun.
Oh, I'm so happy.
This is your dream to draw a shark. Make sure to draw lots of jagged triangle shapes for the teeth.
Isn't this great, Betty and Mikey?
Sure is.
It is, Bunny. It's fun. Artie loves drawing sharks.
Yeah.
Now let's draw a big curved line going all the way through the middle of the shark.
Oh, I'm having so much fun. Woohoo!
Well, I'm pleased, Artie, but let's finish the line that goes through the middle of the shark. Come on. That's it. That's going to help us later when we colour in.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
And then draw another little curved line at the bottom. Yeah, that's it. Now let's draw 4 little curved lines in the middle of the shark. They're called gills. This is how the shark breathes.
Artie?
Yeah?
Artie, can we take a break, please?
Yeah?
I would love for you to watch some cartoons with me.
Oh, cartoon break! Yeah! Cartoon break! Woo!
This painting is called Impression Sunrise.
Who painted this one, Betty?
Claude Monet, a French impressionist.
He did impressions?
Impressionism is a style of painting. Its brushstrokes are stylized and the artist is going for an impression.
I'm learning so much in this art gallery.
Let's go into the next room and learn some more. This is an artist called Kandinsky.
He used all the shapes and colors.
This style of art is called modernism. I like to call it abstract art.
It's definitely my style. I'm going to try and paint one of these when I get home.
All art should inspire you, Mikey. This was an American artist, Edward Hopper.
He wasn't French?
Of course not. There are artists all over the world. Artie is an artist, and he's an American.
I like how we can see inside the coffee shop. I wonder if they're all ordering pancakes.
That reminds me. Let's get a nice cup of tea.
Cartoon break! Cartoon break! We had a cartoon break!
That was a good one.
Yeah!
Let's carry on.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I think it's time to add the shark's eye. But before that, let's draw a menacing shaped eyebrow. Draw a wavy shape and shade it in black. Wow, that makes him look even scarier. Sharks are scary at the best of times without looking even angrier with angry eyebrows. We can draw a really simple eye, just a circle shaded in black. And then he looks extra angry.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hello, Bunny.
Hi. Wow, your art is so good. It could be in a museum.
Oh, wow.
You're the best.
Thank you.
Bye for now, Artie.
Bye.
Bye.
Wow, Artie, I think Bunny has a little crush on you.
Yeah.
I think she does. All right. We'll shade in the middle of the mouth between the teeth. I think he must brush his teeth 3 times a day.
Very funny.
Well, you would if you had teeth that big and scary.
Yeah.
You You're doing a nice job, Artie, taking your time and filling it in nice and neatly. It's looking really good.
I'm finished.
It looks great, Artie.
Yeah? I think it needs some color.
Okay.
Yay!
It's time to color in.
Wonderful work, Artie. It came out very good. I love the blue colour.
Oh, came out so good.
It did. Are you happy?
Artie's very, very happy.
Great job, Artie.
Just wonderful.
See you later, Artie.
Thank you for watching. Please watch again. Have an Artie day. Bye-bye.